It's MTV Cribs, don't take your house. Let's rock.
The reunion. Leave alone. What's good, y'all? What's happening? What's happening? What, mother? Shoot the MTV Cribs, leave you alone. Yeah. Come on over to my laptop, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I got a notification. You come look at my page. It's all crazy. It's all crazy. Some family tree shit. I don't know. Hey, I'm talking to my boy stuff. You know. I'm gonna tell him how long I'm doing MTV Cribs. Let me tell him to hold on. So hold on, right quick. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Oh, okay. I'm done with stuff. You know, I gotta make a woman some food and stuff, because you know she gets on the nerves. Excuse me. You know, can't live without these, boy. Woo! Jesus. Ain't nothing up in there. Yeah. Can't open the thing, 'cause, you know what I'm saying? I used to go to cooking school. Mode. Yeah. Come on in this cabin, this pantry, yo. What you know about? This is me. This all me. What you know about SpongeBob? What you know about cars? Time fly. Girl, don't know. Hold on. Show y'all how to make biscuits down south. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? Nothing like the Reynolds wrap. You know. You hear me? Take it out to the back. Alright. Watch out. Gotta see my baby's moving. Alright. Don't eat. Here. Come on, let's go back to my home. Woo! It's kind of junky here. It's cool, that was cool. See, remember last time y'all came in here, my wall ain't have all of these writings and stuff on it. But as you look, my fan base has opened up and expanded. You know, we just names everywhere, you know, cousin, sister, groupie, you know, my polo hat collection is on the rips right now because I let people borrow my stuff, so you know, you can take it off of that. Still got shoes and whatever. So my cousin Game's sister right here, because he ain't here with his bald head ass. Cheesecakes, fire, name on the side, you know, because I'll be rolling on the ring. Nah. Dude. Got the weed. You gotta stay fit. You gotta stay active and stuff. You know, I was kind of fat back in the day. You know, there is some poo-poo down in the world. Anyway. See my tassel, you know, I graduated from school. You know, what club was fun? Anyway. Got my weights and stuff, you know. Got my nigga beater, see the little blood on it, you know. I get it down. Don't show that. Gotta go. Come on up out of here. Oh. Let me show you this scenery, boy. You ain't gonna love this. Oh, look at her, look at her. Look at all this. This is all me. All me. Boy, I can jerk in the back, you know. That's all this stuff. I got 2 sheds and stuff, you know. Come over. Come look at my mama. Come look. See that window right there? That's my mama room. She calling me that bug. You know, get my biscuit. You see it? That's my mama room right there. Croaky, that's a big window. She probably sleep. See that bike back there? What you know? That bike on them 12s. Can't see it, but I can see it. Come on. Let me get that for you. Come on. Look at that. That's my sister. Look, her not done, but you know, work in progress. She working. Say hi to MTV Crib. Come on.
It's too big, it's big.
Now, y'all see my little car. I mean my little house. I'm gonna show y'all my whip. Come on over here. Come on over here. Oh, watch out for stains. My baby right here. She kinda dirty. See that olive green paint? That's customized. You can't get no better. See that? You see that? Look at the motherfucking wheels. Zooming on the wheels. Look at the motherfucking wheels. Bring it back. Now we're gonna do the interior. Yeah! Do the interior. Yeah! Don't get that. See that? That's my cigarettes in here. Yeah, you know. That's Moo right there. You know, that's Moo. That's my Moo. You know, I got a little weed, you know, saying my idea and stuff. You know, horn don't work because the car ain't on and the battery died. But, you know, I keep it rolling, you know. But, you know, customized. All that, let's take it to the back. I'm just like, open my trunk, you know what I'm saying. I got some 12s in the trunk. You see that? See that? What that say? Oh, baby, what's your name? That's my name. Ooh, look at that. Well, you see my cars, my toys, my house, my crib. I gotta go. Get on up.